Hey, this will be a video chart on DNAD. Been getting quite a few questions over this one the past week or so. Just now getting around to it. Want to help those people out that had been asking. Kind of a bizarre chart. I haven't been following this one at all. So just right off the bat, I'll shoot straight. I have no idea if these are fat finger trades or if the price there's actually some trading action up there. But for the purpose of this chart, I am just going to assume that these were fat finger trades because they really don't make any sense at all within the flow of the chart. So if those aren't and the price actually did trade up there, my apologies. But even if it did, I don't know. I don't think that would really change much of my analysis that I have going or that I'll be talking about right now. So let's just dig right in. The first thing that sticks out to me is that the chart is in an overall uptrend since back here in basically the beginning of April. And the reason I say that is because if we connect the lows, you can see, very clearly that every time the price has pulled back, the bulls have put in a higher low. So just real quick, what do I mean? We had, like I said, this low here, although didn't quite hit it there close enough. Right there bounced, didn't quite hit it close enough, bounced, and then right here a bunch of times. So you get the drift. And for the overall chart, this is the key level of support to keep your eye on. This is the trend line because if the price falls below there, then this uptrend is broken, and obviously that's not what you want to see. You don't want to see uptrends broken. So the key level of support right now is at this trend line here. As far as the specific value, this is a dynamic trend line, so each day the price or the value is going to rise since this is a rising trend line. So I'm not going to put a value on it. Just know that we have this trend line here that's basically, depending on what your strategy is. If you're a day trader, then this is a very long term. If you're a swing trader, it'll depend on your strategy. But I'm just going to call this the medium to long term trend line right now, since it is started back here in April. In terms of resistance levels, the big one that sticks out in my mind is this orange line here. This is the 200-day simple moving average, and you can see right here when the price did get above it, basically just one day, and then it got knocked back down. And again, I'm assuming these are fat finger trades, but this is going to be the key level of resistance. And then another area of resistance that's sticking out is this level right here. So I'll change this to red to represent resistance. And the reason I'm picking this one is if we go back through the history, you can see, and this level is valued at 0.0039 or 0.004, whatever you want to call it, but acted as resistance there, acted as resistance there, acted as support a couple days, but when the price did fall below it, you can see acted as resistance and acted as resistance once again. So this 0.004 is another level of resistance, and actually the 200-day simple moving average is valued at 0.0041. So basically both of these are at the exact same level. Overall though, interesting chart, good looking chart as long as this trend line continues to hold. But at some point in time, obviously the bulls are going to need to break up through this trend line here, and then with that, it should be able to start to retest these highs up here. So if there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. It's all free, no strings attached. So I'd encourage you to check out the website and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the chart, what you think may happen, and whatever else you think is important for the company. One more time, this was DNAD. Thanks for listening.